Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Steve. I'm in the beautiful Cotswolds and this channel is all about photography, landscape, be that street like today, editing, Photoshop, Lightroom, you name it, everything, photo, video, reviews. So if that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, it'd be greatly appreciated. And look at this beautiful house behind me for a start. And today, like I've just said, we're in Stow-on-the-Wold. So I'm in the Cotswolds, beautiful little country town. I know a lot of people, when they talk about the Cotswolds, they immediately go for places like Chipping Norton, Stow, Bolton on the Water. So they're very, very popular places in the summer, but they have lots going on in the winter as well. In the autumn, people still come in, but not only that, we get beautiful colours coming out on all the trees. So for street photography today, hopefully that's something that's going to be amazing. I've got with me the Sony A6400, and I'm going to start with the Sony 85mm f1.8. Let's see how we get on. You know, round here with the 85mm, there should be plenty of opportunities to get some action shots of people, but not actually be too invasive, which is part of the plan of bringing the 85, but we'll see. No, it was better. It was better you were in it. He apologised, but he has nothing to apologise. Whoa, that is beautiful. You see, this is where the wrong lens is on here. I'm already regretting the 85. I might have to switch it out in a minute. Trying to get a few more shots, but there's not many forthcoming. I think 85 is just too tight. Let's keep walking a bit. Get that guy's red jacket, that could be nice. Focus down on that. Yeah, let's stay within the little square for now. Give me a second, I'm going to put the 18-50 on. Woman taking a shot of her outside. I'm going to do the same thing of it in a minute. So yeah, 18-50, f2.8. Now this, I really like this. I'm going to shoot this down at about I want pretty much all of that in focus. So I'm going to go for something like f11, but I really want to be careful of that shutter speed. But it should be able to just manage it. I'm not sure if I want that wall in it, so let's take another shot, take the wall out of it. I've got the woman just in the corner there. That is perfect. Yeah, I love that. And the rain has just started. I guess in a way this is kind of what street photography is about, just wandering around, taking photos. You haven't really got a massive amount of time to finite your composition, make everything look really nice. You just got to get on with it. Try and get another shot of him in between the cars in a minute at a lower f-stop. Now this house as well, like where I started, but the 85mm was just too narrow. Whereas now I can get right in front of it, and I've got anywhere from 18-50. So I'm gonna have to walk a bit, zoom with the feet. Do you know what? I'm gonna focus on just that window. And I'm gonna pop it in the middle, just like so. f11, and I'm gonna bring it down to about f4 as well. And then in post I can see which I prefer. As you can see, I don't know if you saw, most of them shutter speeds dropping to a minimum of 1/125th of a second, which is what I've set the minimum shutter speed to an ISO. Because anything lower than that, I struggle handheld, and on the A6400, you go from 1/60th to 1/125th, there's no in between. And at 1/60th with no IBIS, I'm still inhibiting a bit of camera shake. So that's why I got rid of it, or that's why I pushed it higher. And I'm glad I did. All right, let's keep wandering, see what we can find. I'll go further over towards the church. Yeah, one issue I have with Stowe is just the amount of cars. Like this Cotswold bakery in front, be a great composition, but the problem is there's always parked cars, and the amount of times you never, hang on a minute, I'll say that, before that woman gets back into reverse. Not the greatest composition, but she's just trying to reverse in now, so take the opportunity while you get it. But yeah, as I was saying, most of the time, most of these beautiful buildings, there's cars in front of them, and you know, that just ruins the shot really. So you do the best you can. Oh, I like that keg. Thank you. Lots of lovely people out this morning, stopping while I take photos. It's nice. But you also then sort of feel pressured as well to take the shot, even if it's not a good shot. Yeah, tricky one. Let me know what you think about that in the comments. Do you feel pressured by other people to take a shot? Let me know. Yeah, the one thing I am missing is a step-up ring to fit my polarizer onto this 55mm, because I don't have it. Sorry. Just compose the shot here, just get that tree in on the edge. Overhanging, focus right in the middle. I'm going to open that up to about f8, just because there's nothing really to separate subject or background there. Lovely. Well, I hope it's lovely. Oh yes. Little knickknacks and stuff outside, people taking photos. This is perfect. Let's get a low down shot. There, looking. I don't really want f8, I want to bring that down. I'm going to go for f2.8 all the way to the minimum. He's coming further into shot. Yes. Oh, it's perfect. Bet you're in it. I was waiting for you. Morning. Everyone thinks they're ruining shots by getting in them, but they're just making them more interesting. You need to realise that, like these lads here working. I want to use a bit of the post as a separation. Slightly overexposed above, but we'll worry about that later. Now, it's not quite as photogenic as some things. I think I used too much of the post there, but hey, you can't win them all. Right, stay on your phone, love. No, stop walking. Oh, if you're going to keep walking, leave it. Keep walking. There's a beautiful little arrangement, should we call it, outside this florist, but I kind of, can I zoom 50 and get that? No. I need to cross the road, but then I'm also going to be in the road. I mean, if someone came out as well, that would be amazing, but let's not push the luck. Right in the middle there, on that plant pot in the middle, f5. Yeah, that's a nice shot, some nice reflections off that plant pot coming into the street. I like that. The obligatory post box has to be done. No matter where you are, if there's a post box, I have to take a photo of it. Right, let's wander back into the square before I get run over. Not sure what that was about, just a shot down the middle of the street, but it looked quite nice. I wish there was a few more people out having a coffee or something. That would be ideal. Oh yes, perfect. F8, I'm going to focus, bring it down a little bit actually, focus bang on that mirror, and that's be my focus point, lock it in, F8, excellent. Oh yeah, some beautiful little hidden gems around here. Let's focus on that, oh, spinal flexi, right down there on that mirror. Zoom out a little bit just to get that private in. Yeah, that's a great shot. Thank you. Everyone's so polite today, waiting while you take a photo. It's lovely. Oh, Fairfax and Favour. Sort of a quintessential country sort of brand, isn't it? Not for me though. For Patagonia. I guess that's no more ridiculous either. But on we go. I'm loving that greenery in that one single window there. That is lovely. Definitely going to be focusing on the window if I can actually see it. I don't really want anything else in the shot, so I'm going to have to crop that ever so slightly, but that's okay. I'm going to go for F. Oh, why do I keep pressing that spectral flange? F6.3. Right in the middle. Lovely. My mum was just looking at what I was taking a shot of. She probably thought I was nuts. Right, on we go. Yeah. Just keep walking down the street. Never actually been down here. I've never walked this far down into Stowe. Or I just stay in that marketplace up there and grab a coffee and a cake and that's it. Wow, we've got some beautiful colours here. Really the autumn colours coming out, which is just amazing. Amazing, amazing. It starts to get you a little bit excited. I don't know if I'm starting to become an excited photographer. Oh, squeaky brakes, Jesus. Oh yes, look at this place. Is that a house? What is that? That is amazing. These people in the shot, get them in the shot, get them in the shot. Oh, he's trying to stay out of it. It'd be better in it. Perfect. Thank you.
My pleasure.
People are so kind, but what they don't realise is half the time having that person in there, that little bit of an additional element, like the action element of what they're doing, they're walking through, having a conversation. I like that. I like people in my photos, but they often think they shouldn't be in them. Yeah, I don't think there's anything more of interest down here. Doors. I like a door. That's a nice door. Not that nice a door though. This here, this is beautiful, this. That is amazing. You know, those doors saying don't obstruct. You know, I need to just get the front on really. See what I can get from the other side of the road. You see, now I'm back to the point where the 85mm would be perfect, you know. Well, I'm going to shoot f4. She's just going to come into shot. Bang. I wasn't focused on her, but I think she's just smoking as well. That is an amazing image. I'm very happy with that. Where's the off button? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks very much for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Really help the channel out. Really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the photos. I love Stowe, to be honest. It's great to have a coffee and a wander around. I can't wait to return when probably it's raining. Actually, that'd be really cool. See what the leaves look like again in a couple of months' time when winter really kicks in. But hope you have a great day. Please like, please subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you next week.